So I'm going to show you how to set up your Lave website. Okay, so you click get started for free, or if you're on the app, you just open the app. So I'm going to input my details, select my country, and then sign up. Okay, so now it says what I need to verify my emails. I'm going to click send verification code. So the code has been sent to my email address. So I'm going to scroll down and input the code. And I'm going to click verify email. Okay, so now it says what create your shop. So I need to set up my shop. Okay, so even if you're here for the referral program, you still need to also set up a shop. So you just enter your name of a brand. So assuming let's say address perfumes. So a username. So let's say address perfumes. Then I enter the description of my business. So we sell the best perfumes. I select my country and I click create shop. Okay, so I need to select a plan. So I'm going to select the business plan. You can click on the view details to see all the details of the plan. Okay, so with the business plan, I can upload unlimited products. I can have unlimited shops. I'm just going to select the business plan. So select plan, and I want to save money, so I will just pay upfront. So I'm going to pay 3 months, so I save 20 cedis. But you can select the plan that you want. Okay, so I'm going to click pay. I'm going to input my mobile number. And I'm going to make the payment. So payment has been made successfully. Okay, so now we are back at the home section. Okay, so let me divide this screen so that you guys see what it actually looks like. So your website is divided into two parts. Okay, we have the home page. So this is where you can add links, texts, things about your business, and then we have the shop section. Okay, so the shop section is where you can add products, etc. So let's look at a real life example. So this is one of our merchants. Okay, so you can see we're on the home page. So on the home page, so we have shop on our website. She has decided to add followers on Instagram. So when we click shop on our website, okay, it will just take us to her shop. So this is where the products are. Okay, very simple, very beautiful. So when we go back to the home page, you see she has added followers. So you can add other text. She has added links to her Instagram. So you can follow her on Instagram by clicking this link. Okay, and then now she has added other text, so you can add text, things about you. So that's one. Let's look for. So one merchant also kept her simple. She just put the link to her website. So you just click on shop on her website, and then you just enter the shopping part, select your products, and place your order. Okay, and then here's another merchant too. Okay, she has added more details, shop on her website. So it's very simple. So it's divided into home and shop. Okay, so when we go to shop, that's the shopping side. When we go home, so now we are going to start with the home section. Okay, so the home is the first thing your customers will see. So let's click on manage my home page. So it says you need to create a home page to complete the setup. So okay, so these are some of the templates that you can create. You can select your own images, add your own text, add so many things. We're going to click on create home page, and over here I'm going to add an image for my page. Okay, so let me just make this bigger so that we don't get distracted. So I'm going to click on update page. So it says I should choose a template. So you just have to select any of these templates. Okay, you can change them anyhow you want. So I'm just going to select the one that I think looks nice to me. So let's go with this. Okay. So now that we are done, I'm going to click on preview. Okay, so I'm going to click on preview. I'm just going to copy this link, and then we'll just load it here so that you see how our page looks like now. So as you can see, so this is what our customer will see. Okay, so very beautiful, very simple. So I'm going to remove some of the things that are not related to me in the template. So this image like this, we don't do skincare, so I'm going to remove it. And then so you go back to your app. Okay, so these are the contents found on the website. Okay, so there's a link, which is the shop on our website. There's the image, and then there's that text. So if you are following, okay, you can see that. So it says here link. So this link over here, okay, this part over here, this link is this. Okay, and then this is the image. This image is this image over here. So that's what the customer will see. And then this is the text over here. Okay, so I'm going to delete this image since it's not related to me. So I'm going to click on image. Okay, I'm going to click delete contents. It says deleted successfully. So now when I refresh my website, I should see that the image should be gone. Perfect. Okay, so if I want to change this text, okay, I can just click on text, and then I can change it anyhow I want, but I'm not going to do that. So And then you can add your own content. So if you want to add maybe an image or something, just click on add content. If you want to add a link, like how you saw in the other one of our merchants. So let's say maybe contact us on WhatsApp or something. So I'm going to give the link to the WhatsApp. So WhatsApp me slash WhatsApp number. So I'm going to click save. So now when I refresh my page, I should see that. Perfect. So I should see that WhatsApp. So if I click here to just take me to WhatsApp. See, very simple. So I don't want that. Um so I actually want this to be under the shop on our website. So I'm going to change that. So I'm going to go back to the page, to the admin side. Okay. I'm going to click change content order. I'm just going to swap the links just so I want the text to be the last one. Okay, so that's that. So when I refresh, now this should be under the shop on our website. Okay, perfect. So now everything's working how I want it to. Okay, so I'm going to click shop on our website. So it says what? There are no products found. So now we are going to start adding products. Very, very simple. So I'm going to go back to the app. So remember the app is on the left side. So I'm going to click on go back to home. Now, because I've done the home page side, I'm just going to go to my shop. So this is the shopping site. So say complete this page to enter your shop. So I'm going to choose an image from my shop. I want to accept cash on delivery orders and I want people to be able to buy on WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on save. So we are finally in our shop. Okay, so this is the dashboard for the shop. Okay, so it says what? There are no products on your shop. Click here to add. So I'm going to look for products. Okay, or you can just click this part. But I'm going to look for products to add a product. So I'm going to click add product. Then it's a physical product. So I'm going to click on physical product. So I'm going to upload an image for my perfume. So let's just say so Sauvage Dior. I'm going to enter the price. Then you enter the description. You can enter stock quantity, all those other stuff. So I'm just going to save it for now. So it says save successfully. So you can click preview to view product on shop. Okay, so I'm going to refresh my page. I'm going to go to my shop rather and refresh. So you can see now the product is here. So customers can just click on it, click order, and then they can just place their order. So customers will just fill in their details and then they can just place their order. So they can either pay online, okay, and then they can buy on WhatsApp. So they'll be redirected to WhatsApp to complete the order. But I'm just going to choose pay online. Okay, so now you just choose their payment gateway and then they can just make payments. So they can enter their Momo number and then payments will be made. So another cool thing about Lave is that okay, your customers can just select their currency and then you can collect payments in that currency. You understand? We'll do the conversion, everything for you. So you can see that this has changed to Naira. So then the payment will be made in Naira. You understand? So everything is done for you. You don't have to now be stressing. So as you can see, so this payment will be made in Naira and I can just receive payment. So same thing applies. If I was to change it to USD, I can just change it to USD and then everything will be converted. The price will change to USD and then I can collect payments in USD. So very simple. So you can sell to anybody around the world, you understand? And then Lave just handles everything for you. So as you can see, I can collect payments in USD. Okay, so here's a quick tip. Okay, always add your website's link, okay, to share it with customers. Add it to your Instagram bio, add it on TikTok. So here's an example. Okay, so when you click on this merchant's link, okay, you just opens her website, very beautifully done. So if you want to buy her course, you're just going to click here and then you can start and then you can select what you want and then just order. Very simply done, very fast. You understand? So you can avoid the whole back and forth of sending me pictures, do this, do this. So here's another example too. Okay, let's look at Palmer's Ghana's page. Okay, when you open their shop, okay, you can just start ordering from them and avoid the whole back and forth of customers wasting your time. So once you receive an order, you get an email. You also get a notification on your app. Okay, and look at this too, very nicely done. So just click here, open the shop, and then you can just start shopping. Okay, so always add your links everywhere on social media. Never forget that. Always add it. When customers come to you, just share your link. It's very easier for them. They can see everything you have, and you can avoid wasting time. Okay, so we go back to our shop, and then when we go to orders, we can see all the orders on our shop. Okay, we see that this person tried making an order, the person hasn't yet paid. So once payment is made, here will come as paid. So now, if you're here for the referral program, all you have to do is whenever you open the app, okay, or visit the site, okay, just go to my shop. Okay, you'll see click on this that it says earn 50% recurring commission. Okay, so just click on get my referral link. So now all you have to do is share this link, okay? So this is what you get. You get 50% of all their monthly plan. You also get 50% every transaction that they process, okay? So they're just going to click this link. They're going to click on this link and then just start sharing with your friends who sell on Instagram, Facebook. People who sell online, hey, you can get a website for your business and then you earn whenever they make a payment and for every transaction that they do. So over here, you can see the people that you referred. You can see how much you've made for them. You see everything related to that. So that's how it works. Very simple.